Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're gonna head out to a meet right now, me and the wife, as you can see. We're gonna go ahead and go to this one meet called, it sounds, it's called Shitbox something, I don't know. But it's a Shitbox meet. And hopefully we can get some good runs out there if they want to run. This ain't a shitbox. We can, no, never mind, it's not a shitbox. It's not. It's a economy car. Yeah. And we are here. Got a Cooper here. My wife's. See what's happening. How to get in the light. Yeah, eventually I'm gonna get some new wheels coming soon. Some Koenigs. And then I'm debating on what tires I should get. Everybody's telling me different things. The tips. My wife got some black tips. You can actually see it. Good camera. Got a Cooper.
Power-wise, not really anything at all. It's got a Canon intake on it. It's got a couple of catch cans. It's got a larger intercooler. But some BC coils.
Yeah, it's clean. It's nice. Yeah, you can really hear that growl.
Yeah.
And the turbo noise is all up here.
Yeah.
What's it at 1.6?
But yeah, it's
Huh? Look at it. Check out the RAV4. I got a Beaver here. Look at this freaking Miatas. Oh, Guillermo's here. Subi boys. Hey Zach. Where's the car seat at?
For these races tonight, you're required a fucking passenger apparently because they need a chance. Yeah. Because they need a chance, so I'm gonna run it in tonight.
Eric's fast.
Yeah, you need a headlight restoration? I'll do it right now.
Oh, dude.
One's tinted.
Nah, but the other thing too is
Oh, that one's fucked.
Where's the car seat?
What?
Where's the car seat?
No car seat.
Damn. All right, guys, we're gonna get a couple runs in. My boy Zach. He has a Fiesta ST, pretty quick. Corvette GT500, Shelby, and then we have a Speed 3 on a BNRS4. Also, another Fiesta ST that's pretty quick. So we're gonna see how this goes. I might get some runs in as well, and a bunch of STs, but you know, STs. see the GLI wants to run it. Never mind. Brother. Oh yes. See, and that's all, folks. Look at that.
Day 2, day 3, day 4. A few moments later. One eternity later.
Good morning, guys. It is early as shit, but we are going to Cars and Coffee. There's like kind of out of it, but I can't wait. Gonna put a couple Type R's and get some rolling shots, maybe. Very musty today, so hopefully it clears up just so good. It's cold. Blue sweaters. But yeah, I'll see you when I get there. I'm tired. I'm at the car wash. See, it is 65 degrees. Nice. Pretty chilly. Hasn't been like that. It's always like that in the mornings, just never in the afternoons, or even during the night. It's always like 70-something during the night. Man, I tell you what, I'm fucking tired. Don't worry about the engine light. It's not like a misfire or anything. That's just the air pump injector. So it's common to go out. It can be many things. My buddy from Audi told me it can be three things. But I kind of already forgot what he said. So, which means I have to drop it off today. You can take a look at it. So I'm gonna have the car for about 5-6 hours. But I will see you guys at the car wash. Maybe Chick-fil-A. Just Chick-fil-A. Alright guys, we're gonna meet up Darius on Bass Pro with a couple other guys. After that we're gonna head to Cars and Coffees at Six Flags. And I'm gonna get some more videos, get some more pictures of some cars. Clean full wash. Went to the wash. Touchless. She's looking good. Some tire shine on it. Nothing even. Alright guys, headed to Cars and Coffee. We were at Bass Pro for a bit. Now this might take a while because everybody and their mom comes. So right hand drive Supra, pretty clean on the same time. Another one as well. GTIs, beautiful Toyota. My boy Tony, Darius. That's all nice. Most of the people are supposed to roll out with this one. Duracell batteries. Look at this shit. Oh, 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 oh. Some Mustangs. Wow, that's pretty cool. Shelby GT500. Actually, I know the guy. If it's this one, I do. It's pretty nice out. Weather's perfect. So are the cars. It matches with it. Got the Hot Boys bikes. And again, like I said, we were at Six Flags.
You know they sell something like this for ours. Have you seen it? It has the two tennis poles like right there.
That was so clean.
He worked on it.
He flipped it?
No, flip. Like that's sleeping.
Oh, Huracan? He bought it for his girlfriend.
All forged.
Yeah. Like $35,000.
Well, everyone, Cars and Coffee was a success as usual. It was at Six Flags. I really wanted to go after, but I don't have any passes, so kind of a letdown. I just got home. Probably just gonna go ahead and let her sleep for the day. Maybe at night I'll take her back out. Other than that, man, appreciate it. Welcome to the channel. Please like and subscribe. And